Hi, today I'm with me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see sound, vibration and select mode. Just to change the modes we should here select one from them. If you want to change the ringtone temp, you should just select one from this available one. If you want, you can set also here the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off by use this switcher. If you want to set the schedule of the don't disturb mode, you can do that. Just you can set the start, the end time, the days, and we can also allow the calls, notifications, messages from just no one, anyone, from the favorite contacts, from only from contacts, and to show the repeated calls in don't disturb mode. Here in bottom panels we can change ringtone, messages, notifications, alarm, music, video, games and calls volumes just by hold for and swipe to the left or to the right side. There's the white dots. Also we can change default volume button control. Now we have selected the media, we can switch it to the ringtone, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can change ringtone volume. Here we can change the ringtone, messages, notification tones, and in more settings we can turn on and turn off the startup sounds, keypad sounds, the screen lock unlock sounds, screenshots, screen touches, vibrations when device ringing, the system haptics. So we can turn on and turn off all of these options by use each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.